Hi, I'm Dave, chef of Polyscience. Today we're going to talk about the unique features and benefits of the KontrolFreak, so let's get to it. The KontrolFreak is the world's most precise cooktop. Precise temperature control allows you to hold any food at any temperature for any amount of time without fear of scorching or over-reducing. The pan and probe control allow you to hold specific temperatures for any given time. You set the temperature that you want and it will bring it there, and it will hold that temperature exactly to whatever you set it to. The unit has a through-the-glass sensor that makes direct contact with the pan, and because of that, it allows you to have very exact temperatures that it can hold indefinitely. The Create program allows you to store those temperatures as a preset program for repeatability and consistency. The USB function allows you to take those preset programs and multiply them across several cookers or email it to other locations. And the intensity function allows you to control the time to temperature when working with sensitive ingredients like chocolate, eggs, or dairy. Whether you're a hotel, catering operation, 50-seat diner, or a commissary kitchen, with the KontrolFreak, you can standardize processes and simplify service.